whatever you have left over, you can kind of use for a nice kid's smoothie. And you can sweeten this up. You can use yogurt. You can use almond milk. You can use coconut milk and kind of treat it almost like an after-school dessert or something.
Smoothies I think are such a great way, just like you said, to add a variety. You can't go wrong with them. I don't think you can make it wrong. Put as much or as little as you like. Great way to not waste your food. Like you said, you have a little bit of this left over from another meal. Put it all in the blender. So you got a little just regular yogurt in there.
So this is some vanilla flavor.
Yogurt?
It is Greek yogurt.
It is Greek yogurt.
Yep. So.
And do you have to monitor your baby for any rashes that may arise with pineapples?
With the sort of citrusy kind of quality to that, you just want to, any new food, make sure that as they're digesting it, that they're not getting diaper rashes or any difficulty with tolerating it.
And when can a baby start eating?
You know, I wouldn't start it as the first food, because usually you're going to go for the ones that are more easily tolerated, like your apples or pears. But, you know, as they approach a year of age, I think it's good to introduce those different flavors because they are learning how to experience what they think about different tastes.